Hello, what I'm going to show you today is how to download and install a PDF reader. What a PDF reader is a type of program that allows to display the information that's contained in a PDF file. PDF files are types of files that are usually made by Adobe Acrobat Writer, and they contain pictures, text, sometimes they will have blueprints come in PDFs, all kind of different fun things come in PDFs. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to try to get a PDF that talks about how I can make my searching with Google more effective. So I'm gonna look for a guide to Google in PDF. I like PDFs, they are very portable and I can do a lot with it. As you can see, the first thing that Google came up with is googleguide.com PDF Google Guide. There it is. That's what I was looking for. Let's see if we can read it. So I'm going to click on the search result, and what it's asking me is what to do with this file. Now, the reason why it's asking me, because I do not have a PDF reader on my computer, or there could be another reason. Another reason could be that I told my PDF reader not to associate itself with any PDFs. Let's say I just want to, save them first before I open them up. So if that was the case and that's what I wanted to do, I would disassociate PDF reader from PDF documents, and then I would have to manually open them up from that application. Well, I do not want to just save the file. I want to be able to read it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click save, and I'm just going to put it on my desktop. I'm just going to temporarily store it there before I put it under my documents. And so it's saving right now to my desktop, which is very quick. And now, once that's saved, I'm going to try to open it. Okay, perfect. Okay, click open. Yes, I do want to allow it, because that's what I was trying to do. And I was trying to open a PDF, but something is not working. Notice, Windows cannot open this file. To open this file, Windows needs to know what program you want to use to open it. Windows can go online to look for it automatically, or you can manually select from a list of programs that are installed on your computer. Now, I do know that I do not have PDF Writer. That's why I'm making this tutorial, to show you how to get one. I'm going to use this web service to find the correct program. Alright, so I'm going to hit OK, and let's see what it comes up with. Alright, it gave me a nice list here, in this area right here. The one I'm going to concentrate on is going to be Adobe Reader. So I'm going to click on that hyperlink. And as you can see at the bottom of this window, it says that it's going to go to get.adobe.com/reader/other versions. And from this website, I will be able to choose which reader I want. I'm going to select my operating system, which is Windows XP. I'm sorry, Windows 7. Okay. I want English language. I could, of course, do it in my native Polish, but I speak and read, write, and do pretty much everything in English. So I'm going to select continue. And now it's going to give me an option to download one. I don't usually, I don't really use the Google toolbar, which is, hey, some people use it, some people don't. I'm one of those that doesn't. So I'm going to uncheck that option so it doesn't install this Google toolbar, which I'm sure you have seen before. And I'm going to keep scrolling down until I see what's going on. And now I can see that it says download now. shows me the size, 37.28 megabytes. Not bad, kind of heavy, but I need it. So I'm going to select downloads now, and I should be getting one of those yellow bars on the top. It's going to warn me, warning, warning, warning. You could be heading for disaster, but I know I'm not. Now, the thing didn't come up here. Oh, it did now. Okay. So I can click on that, and I can select install this add-on for all users on this computer, or I can click here to download, and now it's going to ask me, do I want to save it or do I want to run it? I'm going to save it. I'm going to put it on my desktop, and you know, just in case you couldn't see, I'm going to go back and click here to download. Now I'm going to save it, so I'm going to click on the save button, and I'm going to save it to the desktop. Okay, click save, and it's downloading it right now. Come on, big money. I mean, come on, big PDF. Let's do it. Come on, come on. People are waiting for you. Silly man. Alright. It's looking good. Da, 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 da. Okay, cool. Now, take a look at something here. See this box here? Close this dialog box when download completes. Well, I don't usually check it because, you know, if I don't check it and it downloads a file, then I have some options that I can work with, such as run, or open the folder where the file is at, or I can simply close it. In this case, I know where it saved it, I know that I want to run it, I will select the run command. Now Windows is asking me, do I want to really run this program? Let's look at the details. Not really many details, but it does tell me the location, which is c:\users /Tom, which is my name, /desktop /blah blah blah, whatever the Adobe file name is. I'm going to select yes, because I do want it for sure, and installation will begin. Looks like it's powered by something. I guess that's why it's so fast. Alright. Ooh, fancy. Now, looks like it's a 32-bit application, so it's putting it under program files, x86. I'm going to select next, and I want to install. I want to click this. Now it's installing it. I am running a 64-bit version of Windows 7 right now. I believe that's part of the reason why it's so fast to install it. Okay, beautiful. Now I will select finish. Alright. Now this version of Adobe put several icons, well, put 2 icons on my desktop. So what I'm going to do in a minute, I'm going to actually try to show my desktop. Let's see here, how do we do this? Okay. You see this? This is our PDF that I downloaded. It's called the Google Guide to PDF. Let me minimize this window. Now this is the executable file that I downloaded to install the PDF reader, and this is the icon that's a shortcut to open the PDF reader. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to double click on it to open the PDF reader. I don't really have to do this. I do not have to open the software to read the PDF, because I could have simply just double clicked on this icon and it would go right into the PDF itself. It would open the application and it would display the document all at the same time. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just double click on it. It's going to open a PDF window, and we will take a glimpse at the Google Guide to PDF. I'm sorry, Google Guide in PDF format. Oh my goodness, 149 pages. Aren't you glad you are using PDFs? Let's scroll down and see what there is to it. Okay, some text, and we are kind of looking. Looks like there might be some things I might be doing tutorials on. This is really good.